What's up guys, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. and here's what's happening right now. I have a few jobs that I need to get done by tomorrow, but I also have a ton of edits that I need to finish, so I was thinking, why don't I just teach Alison how to DTG, she could smash them out, I could finish the edits, and I can show you guys how we teach her along the way. Let's go see what she's up to. Okay. Hey Alison.
Hi.
Do you want to learn how to DTG?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, okay, sure.
Okay, so we're in Garment Creator, and the first thing you want to do is drop in the artwork, obviously. Make sure that you're in the correct type of t-shirt that you're going to be printing. So the first one is going to be for black shirts, because it'll use the black in the shirt as an actual part of the black in the artwork. Then the light color t-shirt for like, obviously light shirts. The main thing here is that you're only printing CMYK. The third one is dark color t-shirt, so maybe a shirt that's really dark, it's going to have a white underbase, but it's not black. And then dark shirt, so this one's really if you're only printing white. And if you could see those little bubbles right there, they're really gonna help you out later on. So keep those in mind. And then the last one is light color t-shirt. So that's mostly just for like high production stuff. So for us, we're gonna go with light color t-shirt. What it's gonna do is give you the proper settings that you can mess around with. First off, clicking on the artwork, and then go to layout settings, hit top center, and now you know it's in the correct place. Now you want to change the dimensions to the appropriate dimensions. If they're already perfect, then leave them as is. And the next thing you want to do is go to print settings. So in print settings, the most important thing is this one right here, the print quality. So you want to click that link, and then these are the levels. So click that. You can see all the levels there.
That warrants speed, or is it one that requires quality?
If you're having any problems with the printers or sending any artwork over, take a look at this section right here. It's normally going to tell you what the status of the printer is. So, you're done. Just hit print, we're good to go. Cool. Okay, so pre-treating, right? The first thing you want to do is put the t-shirt on top of the tray. Then you want to tuck the t-shirt under the tray. Now the next thing you have to consider is the pre-treat settings that you want to do. The most important thing is, are you going to put a white underbase with your design? If you're going to put a white underbase, it's a very different pre-treat than if you're not. So, we're going to set our settings to 5. We're going to do full width, and then you're going to pre-treat. And then you're going to brush it down. The brushing part is really important because what it's doing is it's matting down the fibers so that later on when you're printing, you get a smooth, even print surface area. And let's say, for example, that you're pre-treating and then you missed a spot. With your brush, you can actually just go over it a few more times, hopefully get some of the pre-treat to spread over it, or you can even dab it a little bit into pre-treat and then cover the areas that you missed. So it's really easy to do a height test. All you have to do is put a t-shirt on the platen and then hit that button right there. What's gonna happen is the whole platen along with the shirt is gonna go inside, and if it clears the height sensor, then you're good to go. The trick with the height test is that you wanna keep raising it up one level and then run the height test until you get an error. And the reason is because you wanna make sure you're the closest possible to the print head. So when it gives you an error like that, that means you've already passed the point of where you're gonna be way too close. You drop it down one level to where you know you're safe, and now you're at the highest possible setting so that you're the closest to the print head so you can get the best prints possible. So the first thing you want to do is put the t-shirt all the way through the platen. Cool. Now you want to pull it back so that the collar is the right distance away from the platen. It mostly depends on the size of the shirt and where you want the design to land. And because you put the artwork at the very top of the software, you know that it's going to land right there. Cool. So once that's set, grab the sleeves on both sides and make sure that they're even distance away from the platen. And that's going to make sure that it's not shifted more to one side than the other. Mm-hmm. Now make sure your thumbs are parallel to each other so that it's not uneven. Mm-hmm. Put the frame on top. Cool. Tuck everything into the platen and hit print.
Heat pressing is the final step, and there's 3 times you're going to have to do it. The first one is right after you pre-treat, and that's to make sure that the t-shirt is dry and ready to print. The next time is right before you print, and that's to make sure that you have a flat print surface area. The last time is right after you print, and that's to make sure that the inks are fully cured.
Alison here. Thanks so much for joining me and learning how to DTG today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for future videos. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!